Hey guys, hope you had a great Thanksgiving. It's the day after, it's Black Friday. There's deals to be had all over the place. And I am partaking in Black Friday like most Americans are today, except maybe just slightly different than most Americans. I've chosen to come to the Junkyard. There are two junkyards here in Winston-Salem. I am at the Pull Apart. Both were offering Black Friday deals of 40% off. And I chose to come here because I've not been here in a while. And yeah, so here we are. So what's my plan today? I came with about 10 cars to check out. None of them are Toyotas, actually. Shockingly, no Toyotas. I'll be checking out a Audi Q5. There's an Eclipse I'll look for the vents for. Gosh, I can't remember what the other ones are. A Mercedes I want to check out. Hopefully it has some good brake calipers on there. So a handful of things I want to check out and hopefully get some good deals. I mentioned the last video, I talked about profits. I sold the center console to the Suzuki Sidekick and made decent money. They have a Sidekick here. I think I can get both pieces for about 40 bucks, maybe less, hopefully less. If that's the case, I can sell it for $80, $85 plus shipping. That's all right by me. And speaking of money and profits, today I brought $100 bill. This came from the sale of the TRD exhaust for the Scion. I finally sold it, and that came from the profits of that. The exhaust cost me, I forget, like 30 or 40 bucks for that TRD exhaust. I sold it for $200 locally. Shockingly, someone locally bought it. I thought I was gonna have to sit on that for a long time because of shipping or something, but somebody popped up not too far from the house. So anyway, let's see what we got here. See what we can find and if we can make some money or not. I don't know. I hope. I'm here for money. To spend and to make. One small... Yeah, you guys know how it works. All right. Looking for the Eclipse. Here we are. It does have its vents inside. I can already tell that one is broken. But I see two left. So I'll pop those out. I've shown that many times before. Don't bother you with that, but I'll pop those out and pick those up. Again, those I sell for $15 shipped. Usually people buy 2 or 4 at a time, and it comes out pretty profitable. So, I just want to say, personally, Thanksgiving is my favorite holiday. Oh, hell. Hang on. I saw this RAV4 as I was walking by. Yeah, it's the rubber steering wheel. I would like to get that, but I don't know. Oh. Well, not sure that's that, but Deborah, this is where your car ended up. Thanksgiving is such a wonderful holiday, in my opinion. You can say all stuff about, the history of it, but it's just about friends, family, eating. There's no gifts exchanged. There's no expectation. Nothing like that. It's just hanging out, enjoying some good food, having some laughs. Is that a Jag? That's it. Like, it's just hanging out, and I enjoy that so much. And hope you guys had a good Thanksgiving. I did. It was enjoyable. Busy, but enjoyable. Yeah. All right. On to the next car. I kind of want that. I really do kind of want that airbag. We'll see. All right. All right, we have found our way to the Sidekick, and it looks pretty rough. You just kind of spray painted the grill. Everything seems to be here. They've taken the moldings and all. Let's see. So that's what I'm wanting. That piece and this piece here. So a couple screws and that should come off pretty easy. So I just sold one week and a half ago. I don't know. And week and a half ago, so I know what they go for. It's just getting it. Oh, hell. I'm not sure if that can come off. Somebody has put a screw through that piece there. That's probably not going to help resale value. All right, I'm gonna pull this off. I think I might still pick it up and take a risk on it, you know, a small risk. So let's get that, and I think there's like one more car to check out, and that might be it. Like, not a lot today to look at. I've not filmed a whole lot because there hasn't been much to look at. I mean, everything's kind of been a bust. But you know, that's how the junkyard goes some days. It's still a good day. I still enjoy being out here, getting some steps in, seeing some different things. But I'll get that and then hit the road. And I'll update you guys next time with how much money I made on these things. See how quick I can get it sold and the other things I can get sold in the meantime. All right, guys. Again, hope you had a great Thanksgiving. Enjoy your holiday weekend, and see you guys in the next video. Thanks for tuning in. As always, I appreciate it.